Here's a book I made in November 2009 at the end of the fall quarter when I thought I had given my last lecture. And during that lecture, I passed around a video camera and let the students just shoot video of the class and of each other. And I then grabbed frames out of that video to make this book. So it's called The Last Lecture. And I thought I would just show it to you. I'll read you the introduction. It says, during the fall quarter of 2009, I taught a course called New Media Perspectives for the first year students in the New Media Publishing program at Rochester Institute of Technology. Weekly lectures were scheduled on Tuesday afternoons in Webb Auditorium in the College of Imaging Arts and Sciences. I had given my first RIT lecture in that same auditorium 27 years before in the fall of 1982. At the beginning of the last lecture of the quarter, I turned on my video camera and asked the students to pass it around the auditorium while I began the class. The resulting video footage ran just under 10 minutes. I uploaded the video to YouTube and entitled it The Last Lecture 2009. The photographic content of this book was derived entirely from the video. The experience of teaching has changed profoundly during the years since my first lecture in Webb Auditorium. Today, students are constantly connected to the internet, and a lecture is viewed as one of many sources of information that can be instantaneously cross-referenced against all of the others. Lectures that are heavy in informational content, which can otherwise be retrieved from internet sources, are certain to fail. Students will not attend, and if forced to attend, will be there in body only. So a lecture must be an event where students expect to learn things that cannot be learned in any other way. A great lecture serves as a lens through which things that have become deceptively familiar and accessible through the ubiquity of the search engines are once again made to look strange and new. I have had the pleasure of giving some such lectures over the years. I have known for certain when I have failed to do so. This book, extracted as an afterthought from video content produced by my students, is a fitting artifact of this moment. When viewed together with the original video, it provides a glimpse into the complex arena of college teaching in the internet age. And the date on that is November 28th, 2009. So here's a quick look through the book. All of these images were taken from the video as the students passed the camera around the class.